Mallory, what book are you reading? Where is Baby Pumpkin? She didn't know which toy she wanted, so she went right into the toy chest. Can you say hello? Hi. Can you say mama? Mama. Can you say dada?
Mama.
Mama. How about dada? No? Bubbles? Bubbles? No bubbles? How about banana?
Mom.
Banana?
Yes.
Yes?
Mama.
Mama.
Mama. Mama.
Mwah. Throw mama a kiss.
Mama. Mama.
Yes, baby.
Mama.
Mallory. Mallory. Yay! If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. No? If you're happy and you know it, no, you don't want to. Not today. You want to come out? You want to come out of the toy chest?
Yes.
Yes. Oh. Mallory, say bye-bye. Bye-byes.